Hello everyone, welcome back to the live trading with Golden Girl today. How are you? Okay, so today I'm very excited to see you again. Because last Monday I have some issues so that I cannot arrange to have streaming schedule with you. Okay, so thank you very much for joining in my stream today so early. Alright, yeah, you can see that gold is now gradually recovering, right? Right after it touched to the level 3300. And according to my gold trading plan that I posted on the stream, last Monday as well. If you follow my channel on Telegram, you can enter the limit, the gold trading plan day. Okay, and up to now is still increasing from that level. 31 pips, 31 price increasing so far. And as my VIP members, we are having a previous signal, at the entry zone 3326, buy signal 3326, and now it's to keep on increasing. You can see that there is a small uptrend here, very short uptrend here, and it still follow this current trend line. So you can see that the level is forming higher highs and higher lows, right? And this fair value gap here already filled, by this candle. This is cause the make the balance between the buyers and sellers area. Okay, so regarding to red line and this blue lines is that I indicate for you the level that according to my gold trading plan today. Okay, so and I also show for you show it for all of you on the left side of the chart. You can see that. However, this is just the gradually recovering, and now gold is still under 2 EMA, so this is still indicates for the current downtrend, and now it's just a temporary recover. And today's market is extremely dynamic, because we are gold trader, we need to check the forex calendar every day. And Wednesday, the last day of July, nearly the last day of July, that we have a lot of special news, right? ADP non-farm, GDP, GDP as well. And this economy data is based on quarter over quarter. And next, last but not least, FOMC statement. Okay, and today on my channel on Telegram that I also make the poll, to vote just for forecast. That is just a funny forecast that the current interest rate will be adjusted to which level. Okay. And now Mr. President Donald Trump, he is still want Fed to decrease the interest rates immediately. But let's see today Fed decisions is gonna follow him or not. Okay, so now it's heading up to above EMA. This is the EMA 89, the purple lines is the EMA 89. Okay, and our buy signal is still calculating profits. running pips. So far 65 pips, but now I'm heading to another taking profit is around 36, and our next level is around 47. Okay, and as usual, if you want to trade news with Golden Girl or receive a lot of scalping signal, welcome to my VIP signal group. And it's very easy for you. Do not take a lot of times, and send me a direct message on Telegram so that I can instruct you to join in my VIP signal groups. And just paying for small fees every month, less than $50 for each month, so you can have a lot of scalping signal to maximize your profit. Okay, and also I will instruct you instruct you how to do the risk management lesson better. Okay, there will be notice, a lot of significant notice that I will post it in my VIP channel. And every single day on my channel on Telegram, but the public community, I will upload it, my gold trading plan, and also BTC report, analytics report, and also other specific news that impact to gold, Bitcoin, or other currency pairs. Okay, so I know that all of you are waiting for another entry zone, but now it's still heading to another taking profit. So that I cannot set up any actual trading signal at the moment. So let's say that the market movement, I can set up another limit, pending order for you. Okay, so stay tuned. Hi Ellie, thank you for your asking. So far so good. I hope you're doing well as well. Okay, so let's go back to the smaller time frame. Okay, so but first I would like to observe the daily time frame. Okay, so last week was a 4 continuous decreasing session. Last week gold under a lot of selling pressure. The highest level that gold can be formed, is the 34, 36, 34, 37 level. And now it's recover gradually and heading back to the specific level that I mark for you every single day. But let's see if today economic data support for USD. So it's gonna be a big hit for gold. Do you still remember yesterday session? New York okay, let me check. Monday, Monday session. So gold gradually recover in the Asian and London session, but when we enter to the New York one, gold immediately facing to a lot of selling pressure. Okay, and today there's a lot of special news. Important news. FOMC, ATP non-farm, right? And GDP, quarter over quarter. So the market is really dynamic. And especially for any beginners, you really need to follow the risk management lesson and do not enter a lot of layers if you do not getting familiar to trade with it, because every single trade we need to set up the stop loss to avoid the slip page, right? So this is my advice for you, especially for today trading, when we enter to New York session. Okay, but don't be scared. I'll always be here with you, and yeah, I will instruct you where's our entry point, where's our stop loss level. Okay, and if you want to get those information, welcome to my VIP signal group. Okay, for my friends on channel, that you can follow my gold trading plan. Okay, and good luck to all of us. For our chart, for our chart will be more detailed than daily time frame a bit. And 1 hour. Okay, so now when I start my stream, every time that the market decided to moving sideways. Oh really? Okay, so now it's facing to the very strong resistance at the moment. You can see that the market reacts a lot of times on this zone and it cannot break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's 7 times that the market reached to this level. 33. Okay, so now we will observe for this level, and if the price can break, from this level, from this resistance, I will consider for you to set up another new scalping signal for all of you today. And now it's still heading, gradually forming to a higher lows and higher highs. But I'm not sure that in the New York session that gold can keep is the bullish can win, can dominate the market until today New York session. Let's see. And as always, that we need to wait around 15 minutes to 20 minutes after the news release, okay, to get the market, to wait for the market more stable. Because when news release that it's gonna be high volatility, as always. That's when sharks are hunting, right? Okay, so now I will observe the current level, that price can break out from this level or not. 33. It's very nice number. 33. So we can see that there's still a lot of condition that support for the bullish so far. But these are very strong resistance so far. Gold reacted to this level around 7 times and cannot break out. And if this 5-minute candles close below the resistance zone, that is gonna be a reverse, heading down to below EMA level. Okay, let's wait with me to see the market next movement. Okay, thank you very much for your patience. Moving average. Okay, so you can see on the chart that there are three lines, right? 3 EMA, and besides EMA 34 and 89, I also used the longest EMA is 200. Okay, EMA 200. So okay, so this is the input that I adjust when I open these indicators. Yeah, the longest, the bold blue lines is the EMA 200. Okay, this is the input values. So you can adjust like this, yeah, like this on your chart. Because EMA really effective, yeah, really useful for me, yeah, when I do any analysis and any setup scalping signal. Okay. Hi Ken, yeah, it's been a while, yeah. Today is Thursday, Wednesday, yeah, and there's a lot of specific news in the special news in the New York session. Okay, so now it's still under a bearish reaction. Yeah, you can see that this is very strong level. That gold cannot break out. Gold cannot break out until now. Regarding to join my premium channel, it's less than $50, my dear. And I also have two VIP signal group. One is Forex, which is trading mostly on currency pairs, and another is gold. Yeah, all of the signals that I posted to the gold, platinum is mostly for gold. Yeah, 100% gold scalping signal. I have to divide it into two scalping signal, two type, because that it depends to your favorite. Yeah, to your favorite, and which one you prefer trading. And of course, gold is always high volatility and make the profits faster than Forex currency pair. Yeah, as always. Okay, thank you so much for your asking, and I really hope that I can see you soon in my VIP signal group. And it also depends to the market condition, that there are usually around 10 to 20 scalping signal that I posted on my VIP signal group. And today the market moving sideways, and yeah, it's like a spring. Yeah, you know, the spring, and waiting for the big hit today New York session. And one more time is now under the bearish from the current resistance level 33.33. Yeah, you can see that there is very small range of gold is moving sideways at the moment. Yeah, this is very small. And we're in the London session, and gold is keep on moving sideways after a brief increasing from below level. Yeah, this is the current trend line, and you can see that the border on the zone, right zone, is getting more and more narrowed. And of course, it's going to take some time for the market breakout. And before I started my stream today in my VIP signal group, that I already set up for buy scalping signal at the entry zone 26 to 24. And so far still running the profits. Yeah. And today is really slow. The market is really slow before waiting for the special economic data released a few hours later. So yeah, if we get a good position, I believe that there will be a lot of profits you can receive just from a few scalping signals. Yeah, because we trade according to the trend, right? Trend is our friend. Trend is our friend. And now I still believe that the buyers still support is still supported for the market at the moment. because the trend line EMA below is heading up. Yeah, and the zone is getting more and more narrowed. Actually, that I'm living in France with my family. Yeah, so I have to wake up early, right? Wake up early from around 3 a.m. But that's not a problem, that I will still enjoy my weekend. Yeah, I will relax at weekends, and yeah, you know that there will be a lot of energy for me to come back to fight on weekdays. So if you are really passionate in trading, but I really advise you to um, relax, yeah, and get rest well, to make sure that your health is good. Yeah, because when you're good, your health is okay, your mindset, your emotion, your psychology will be okay as well. Thank you very much. Yeah, actually that I'm still able to arrange my schedule well, and also that I will have some friends that supported me for all the stuff, so don't worry about it, everything is still under control. And thank you once again for your concern. That's so lovely. How do you know that I had husband already? My dear friend Can, how do you know? How do you know about that? This is the personal thing, so I do not want to share on the public channel. So we are just traders, okay? Just focus on the chart and focus on the profits that the money that the market can bring to us, okay? Let's go back to the 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes. There is a doji. It's nearly a doji bar, but actually this is the pin bar. Yeah, and the market is still under the bearish reaction. But let's see. Meanwhile, waiting for the market, I will consider to set up a limit order for you. Hello, Sham, sorry, my friend Malik. I wonder if you're new to my stream today. Okay, it's because you're asking for about the EMA, so I would like to instruct for you once again. Now you click to indicators and choose for this script name, multiple EMA by Eric. Yeah, remember this because there's a lot of indicator type that you can be choose not correctly. Yeah, it's different. It's gonna be different a bit from my from the one I choose to use. Okay, and this is the one I'm using to do analysis at the moment. And you click it to this button, setting button, and input values will be changed from 889 3489 will be changed into 3489 and 200. Okay, this is for the setup. This is about to set up, and after that EMA, there's a lot of meaning of EMA. I use EMA to identify the market trend. If the price below the EMA, this is indicate for downtrend. Okay, and if price is on EMAs like this indicates for the market moving sideways. Okay, and if the candle on the candles above like this, yeah, on the candles above the EMAs like this is indicates for a market uptrend. Okay, so that's the first purpose when I use EMA. This is the identify the market trend. The second purpose for me to use EMA is identified the entry zone. Yeah, of course, confluence with other factors like support or resistance, yeah, or trend line. Yes, and I need to identify the crossover up to EMA and the shape of the candle. Okay, and confluence with the resistance or support zone. Okay, so that is the second usage of EMA. And the last one is that for me to predict the farthest range that gold can be touched and reversed, because the candles cannot move so far away from EMA. Yeah, you can see that whenever it touched to 3301 level, very far from the current EMA, right? Gold was heading back to touch EMA. Yeah, we're getting closer to EMA, and then after touching to EMA once again, okay, it will continue its trend. Yeah, so that is the third usage of EMA. So very simple, and it's obviously visually that everyone can see it, can observe it and understand. And on my stream that I realized, I know that there's a lot of new fresher, yeah, beginners, so I decided to show the easiest indicator for you to use and observe the market trend. Okay, towards resistance with the next. Okay, thank you so much for your listening. And okay, so now I will set up another pending order for you, pending order for all of you. Hang on. Okay, so you can see on the chart that I just posted a sell signal for you at the entry zone 36 to 37, and stop loss level will be 33.41. Based on this trend line I draw for you on the chart. Now this is gonna be our entry zone. Let me mark it for you. Yeah, if the candle break to the current level, to the current resistance at 33, it will heading to higher level. Yeah, that is confluence between the trend line, the higher highs trend line that I draw on the chart. with the previous resistance too, higher resistance zone. Okay, so this is gonna be our pending order today. Yeah, because the market is still moving sideways, and sadly that I cannot set up the trading real-time signal. So this is gonna be another limit signal for all of us today. Okay, and good luck everyone. And remember, trading is probability, right? Trading is probability. So never bet all in one signal. Okay, always be disciplined and follow risk management. Yeah, this things is I have to repeat and repeat all the time. Hi, hello, hi new friends. Okay, so you can see on the chart that is my pending order today. So let's wait. If today after my stream that cannot active this signal on my stream today, I will continue to update for all of you regarding to this signal on my channel on Telegram. Okay, so you can copy the link that I put in a description box. You copy it and paste it to your save message on Telegram. Okay, then you click that and you can join in my channel. And if you click directly from my description box on the YouTube, it will not direct you to my channel. You need to copy it and paste it to your save message on Telegram first. Okay, so just a different action. Oh, it's still heading down. So now it cannot break to the current level. It's very strong resistance, very strong. Okay, so let me move it above here. Yeah, it's just break down to the trend line. Yeah, that's the trend line that I draw in a 5-minute time frame. Let me change the color a bit. I will zoom it out for you. Okay, so it's touched to the below EMA, and now let's see that are there any bullish to support for the buyers at the moment. Okay, so it's still heading down. It's heading down to EMA levels. Okay, so it's gonna take some time. Let's wait for the market to run. Let's watch and wait. Okay, so means while waiting that I will change to BTC. So let's see the BTC movement at the moment. You can see that this movement is kind of similar to gold, right? Yeah, it's still forming higher highs and higher lows. Let's see in 1 hour chart. Now, whenever you can identify the market trend, and if it's break down to the current trend line, so it will continue heading down to below level. And you can see that BTC is still on. Yeah, they are on the EMA. So this is the sideways market, moving sideways area. Like gold is still waiting for the special news that released in today New York session. Yeah, just a few minutes, a few hours later. Yeah. And today's the market is really dynamic and contain a lot of risk. But if you can follow the reliable signal from my VIP signal group, I believe that together we will make money from the market. Yeah, you always need a fellows, especially you're fresher. Yeah, it's not easy by click one touch to buy or sell button on your trading chart. It's not easy at all. Yeah, that action just a few seconds. Yeah, it's just a second, but the consequence will be a lot. Yeah, and it's really terrible if you do not know how to follow risk management lesson, and risk reward ratio is easily blow down your account. Hi Roland, thank you so much for joining in my stream today. Okay, so this is I think that BTC is still this movement, this period, yeah, it is similar to gold, recover gradually to the higher level, yeah, higher levels. But it's this candle, the next candle break down from the current trend line, that it will continue its downtrend, because you can see that the candles in 1 hour chart, yeah, is still on the EMA. Yeah, this is the market moving sideways and waiting for new decisions, okay, of the market, which size will dominate the market. So there's a lot of reliable level that we can set up the buy signal. Okay, and if you want to receive the detailed analysis report, you can follow my channel. Yes, and it's absolutely free for you to join in my community on Telegram. Okay, so now we will go back to gold. Okay, Q is still dropping down. Okay, oh, where's the scalping signal? Where is it? Okay, I will move it closer to the chart to let you know. Okay, anyone late in my stream today, you can observe the pending order. Okay, wait, and we will note for you to wait. Okay, so this is the higher border that I will notice for you another way sell signal. And regarding to the buy signal, I will set up around 25 to 26. Okay, so today we have two pending orders. Wait, yeah, for both sides. And let's wait for it gonna be active 1 or 2 signal. And if it's not active, those are not active, I will cancel all of 2 signals before we're going to the New York session. Okay, all these 2 scalping signals that I set up on the stream today will be canceled before it's hitting to our New York session today, if it's not active. Okay, meanwhile waiting, okay, I just got the news that we should sell now. We'll sell now, everyone. Okay, let's see. To avoid the boring in my stream today, I will set up a sell now scalping signal. Stop loss at 33.34. Okay, it's just dropping quickly. Alright, hang on guys. Pay attention to the stream. Okay, I just noted for you our entry zone today. Uh, 31.5 to 31. Go back to 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, pay attention to the stream today. Yeah, there's currently a sell scalping signal. Yeah, sell now at the entry zone 31 to 31.5. Okay, our first entry zone active. Remember to set stop loss for every trade. Never forget about that. Okay, enter enough entry zone is okay. Enter enough entry zone. And set the stop loss order. Okay, anyone in for this current scalping signal? Anyone? Where are you? Are you still with me on the stream today? We're having a sell scalping signal at the on channel. Yeah, on the stream today. Okay, good luck to all of us. Remember to set a stop loss order, right? Always. Always. Yeah, price is still around our entry zone. Yeah, still have chance for you to in. Thank you so much, PG, and good luck. is heading down. Okay, whenever you enter any scalping signal, always need to set the stop loss. And do not enter too many layers if you are not getting familiar to that type of trading style. Heading down 15 pips. Just 15 pips. Okay, so let's see around 10 minutes with you in the stream today, so we can have profits from this stream or not. Yeah, good luck. Just dropping down to 29.8. Yeah, 29.8. Okay, so no worries, we're still waiting and just let the market run. Hmm, 15 pips profits, and now it's heading back to our entry zone. And taking profits will be the same. Yeah, the same formula that I typed for you on the chart. Hi Bear. Oh, where are you? I'm about to end my stream and now you appear. Okay, so come on, we have the sell scalping signal as you can see on the chart, and price is still at entry zone. Okay, come on. Yeah, really. You still have your time. Yeah, you still get on the board on time. Oh, wow, that's amazing. And now just about to have lunch. Okay, so yeah, are you in? We're still at the entry zone. Okay, so it's still under a conflict between the buyers and sellers a bit. Okay, remember to set a stop loss order and just let the market run. Okay, so enter enough entry zone, and when it's heading down, yeah, it's heading down, close the bad position. Close bad position. And yeah, you can see that the market is always go against to our analysis before it follows. It's gonna take some time. Okay, good luck. Always wants negative. It depends. Yeah, it depends to your signal. Yeah, now we're in the self-scalping signal that we want negative. Yeah, we want negative. Really? After streaming again? Yeah, it's like the curse, right? So next time I just post the signal so that I ended my stream and upload the update the signal on my channel on Telegram. Is that okay? Yeah, so now still under the bearish reaction from the above resistance zone. It's just dropping quickly. Yeah, just dropping quickly back to our entry zone, and it's bounced back. Let's see 1 minute. Dum. Okay, we're breathless, alright, breathless. Okay, so I still bet 100% faith in this resistance. Yeah, in this resistance zone. Okay, so I decided to turn into 1 minute, 1 minute chart to observe the candle moving quickly. Okay, more quickly. Dropping down, dropping down. Okay, so in 1 minute candle, 1 minute chart, you'll see that price is under the above resistance, and things gonna move quickly, right? Oh, it's just heading to 33 once again. Our stop loss level is 34. Okay, 34. Just heading down. Another very strong bullish candle. Let's see if it's worked out. Oh, just one pips that it's gonna touch our entry, our stop loss level. Okay, that's unfortunately that the signals already stop loss. All right, sadly. Okay, so no worries that we still have another entry zone like 36 to 37. It just sweep the stop loss and reverse. It's the market. Yeah, gold down bus. Today we got trapped by the market, stop loss sweep, and it collapsed. So this is the signal for us to trade in the New York session. So far that I did not have the copy trading service. Okay, so just do traditionally. Okay, we learn how to trade, and I know that many of you that we do not have times, right, to observe the chart, but you can set the limit order, setting the stop loss and taking profits, and just let the market run. Oh, you're still survive because you're changing your stop loss level, my dear. Okay, remember to close the bad positions. Yeah, close the bad position. Okay, so now it's time for me to say goodbye to all of my friends today. And we will wait for two signals that I posted on the chart for you recently, right? We do not have luck today. So yeah, let's see that another two scalping signal that's gonna recover for us or not. Okay, once again for joining my stream today, and I really hope that we can trade real time together next time. Yeah, this Friday. Don't be missed for my stream. Yeah, and thank you so much. See you again.